It's the Nitro Rustler, and I gotta say, probably of all the RCs that I bought this year, this is probably the most fun. And I never thought I'd have a Nitro car, let alone think it would be the most fun, but it's so different and unique. I gotta say, it's been absolute fun going to Nitro. So today the weather has changed. When I tuned this, it was around 90 degrees. Today it's 50, so I want to see how it's going to run without any additional tuning in the colder weather. So let's go have some fun with the Nitro Rustler. It did take quite a bit to start, but I haven't run it in a while. You know, the thing that I was worried about was the engine noise. It is the cool part. And it's, to me, not having reverse though, sucks. Now that's, oh, not all Nitro cars do that. Some do have reverse. This one, no. Who would have thought? Oh, getting a little bogging there. Maybe the cold weather is affecting it. Oh no. I'm pretty sure it's not good to have a Nitro running upside down. These things don't like to idle either, so sorry if I'm winded. I'm kind of moving fast. Oh no! Woo! Guess it does not like to do that jump. Look at this thing wheelie! The only problem is, yeah, I don't think I could run this at any place else in the park, probably because of the noise. Oh no! But this part, yeah, I think I'm fine. There's nobody over this far end. I don't know, to me it's the most fun because it's different, you know. It's like getting into RC planes and that. Uh-oh. RC planes, you know, it's something totally different. It's a whole, it is a whole nother way to enjoy the hobby. It's just kind of like this Nitro, man. It is fun. I'll tell you what, I think if I had the pull start, I would probably be hating it, because sometimes as long as, like today, there's a start, I probably would have lost my mind. But yeah, with the electric start, oh, it's fantastic. Ooh. Dang it. I'll tell you, there's one thing you have to watch for, at least on this one. When you flip, sometimes that body likes to shift over the muffler hole. And then, uh-oh. That's gonna cause you running problems. But this little device here, 2-in-1, heats up the glow plug and starts the car. It is absolutely great. Look at that. Oh no! Freaking body pin. Yeah, I don't like the way that they did the body pins on this. Whoa! What the hell? That thing just like turbo. One thing I learned too, if you're upside down, stand on the brake, because without any weight on the tires, they're gonna go crazy. Probably help if I wasn't trying to steer with that in my hand, huh? Oh! Yeah, you know the problem with these, they don't like to idle. So you kind of, no, damn. Anyways, like I said, these things don't like to idle, and unlike a battery power car, I can just, guess I'm just gonna deal with the damn sun. Maybe I'll take it back. Maybe this wasn't the most, this is a lot of work to something. This thing's on a roll today of rolling over. Damn. Yeah, take it back. This being the most fun. Oh. I got this problem that I'm trying to film. The sun, as you can tell, and every time I go position myself over there to film, this thing rolls over on me. I need to exercise, but damn. Can you like flip over a little bit closer to home? So guys, I'm sorry if the sun's not the best, but I can't keep. But yeah, I think it might need a little tuning. It is kind of cutting out here and there. It's not terrible. So we got smoke on the top. I'm not really getting much at all on the bottom end, so just have to adjust that one needle there, make it a little bit thicker or richer, thicker. But yeah, it's kind of neat getting the noise and the smoke and the from an RC car, you know. It's something different. And I know it's a dying part of the hobby, because it's, you know, when I first got into the hobby, if you wanted a car to run more than 2 minutes, you went nitro. You know, the old nickel metal hydride batteries we had just sucked, and the brushed motors. So if you wanted speed, if you wanted runtime, you went nitro. But now, like a lot of other things, technology has replaced that. You know, the brushed motors are so fast. The lithium batteries, the lipos, are giving us tremendous run times, tremendous amount of power. Why deal with something that you have to maintain and tune when you have something so much easier available? So yeah, I can see, and that's one of the reasons I didn't want to. Plus, you know, it's noisy. I just want to see something here. Yeah, I'm not seeing any smoke there, so yeah, I have to definitely tune that a little bit. Whew. Well, I think I'm about tired. I'm gonna start this thing up, get it run to the car. But yeah, man, Nitro Rustler. Even though it's a lot more work to keep it going, and you know, the fuels, it is expensive. It's not my only RC car, and I wouldn't make a Nitro my only RC car, but I would say it's probably the most fun I've had in RC this year is getting into this and playing with the Nitro. So I hope you enjoyed. Was this a surprise to you? Is Nitro something that you're looking to get into? You know, I would say give it a shot. I would definitely, I definitely like what Traxxas did with this starter, man. This is just really, really ingenious. It makes life so easy. Anyhow, yeah, the Nitro Rustler, my pick for, and this is just me, it's not a new vehicle by any means, but for me, it's the most fun purchase, the most fun RC that I've had for 2024. Anyhow, links down below if you want some discount codes, and if you want to buy one, either your local hobby shop, or I have a link with AMAIN, and it'd be greatly appreciated. Also, Amazon store, all that, Tower Hobbies, affiliate links help me buy these things because I don't get them for free, and it really helps me buy this stuff to bring you this content. Everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching and listening to the Nitro Rustler run. Thanks for watching. See you in there.